Hi everyone, my name is Megan Spicer and I wanted to review these MadamSew Heat erasable markers that I got. And they came in 4 colors. I've got a ghost in the background. And I actually initially bought these on Amazon because they started making masks for essential workers and healthcare professionals in our community. So I had this dark material and was having an issue trying to mark out the pleats because nothing was showing up. So I got this, and the white has actually worked out really well on the darker materials. And then with my lighter materials, the black and other colors have been fantastic. I also took advantage of, they sent me when I bought it on Amazon, a free 20-piece refill, and you just pay for shipping, which was like $2.99 or something. So that worked out great. And shipping was pretty quick, especially considering, you know, everything that we're seeing right now. So that's been fantastic. Everything has come off the material that I'm using with the iron. I haven't had any issues with things staying on it or any marks remaining. So that's been fantastic. So it's worked out great. Thank you so much for contributing to donating masks in our area. And if you need something like that, check them out because they're great.